So now we're gonna dive inside one famous popular market here in Kampala. They call it Owino Market, guys. So I don't know what does it mean by the word Owino. If you're watching from Uganda, you can tell me. So you can see the view there. There is one poster up there written Arms Stadium. The stadium view from the poster look amazing. And I've never been inside. I've never been inside this stadium, guys. So if this really how it look like, so for sure, guys, I have to come here one day. Because I've never been inside I've never been inside the stadium so far, guys. So this is the Arms Stadium. Bumbo War Memorial Group. So we are diving inside the market. We are going to see the life and everything.